Again, up to your first digit on your finger. It's getting hot. A pat of butter. Turn up almost to high. And go for it. We'll be back. It's starting to get hot. We'll be back. Okay? How to cook rice like my mama taught me. The first rice every time. Now, as you can see, it's boiling. This is just about a couple of minutes later. Now it's boiling good. You're gonna want to boil all of that out. Okay? So, look at my clock. Look at 42. I use the timer, but not at this point is the timer that crucial. The timing is crucial once you cover the lid. So, be patient and don't forget it, and we'll be right back. Alright, so now we're getting down to crunch time with this. Alright, and you can't see it. Here we go. Now, look at it, it's boiling down. Okay, this is crunch time. I've walked away, but I keep my mind on the prize. Okay, you can see it's boiled down considerably. And I'm going to try to hold on. It's hard to watch the pot come to boil, as they say. I'm going to try to, we're going to watch this so you can see what you're supposed to do. Hard to watch the pot come to boil. Hard to watch the pot come to boil. Well, too bad, it's already boiling. Hard to watch the rice cook down. Hard to watch the rice cook down. Alright, so, cooking with Mr. Nigga. That's me. Knegah. Mr. Nigga. Here we go. So, we're watching this. Okay? And it's only been about, I'd say generally it takes about 20 minutes to cook down and 20 minutes to make it happen. My battery's running low, so I hope we can finish this video. My battery's running low, I hope we can finish the video. That rhymes. Alright, so, we'll see. So, as you can see, we're getting down to the real nitty gritty. Real nitty gritty. Okay, so this is good. So many people ask me, how do you cook rice perfect every time? I say the main thing is you gotta pay attention to it. Rice is not something you can start cooking and don't get on the telephone or start texting or whatever people do now. You got to stay with the rice. Otherwise, your house will be stinking and it takes a long time to get the smell of burnt rice out of your crib. So here we go. I'm hoping we can finish the video because I'm getting a low battery thing. That's what I hate about digital cameras. But, you know, you don't use it and you think it's going to hold the battery, and then, you know, you try to do something like a video like this and it's flashing me. And it's not the way I like to be flashed. Now you're starting to see, over here you're starting to see the rice, you see? When you start to see those little holes, that's when you gotta get ready to cover it up. Alright, so now after that brief commercial message, you can see, now we're getting down to the real nitty gritty. I'm gonna tilt the pot. See, you see a little bit there? When you tilt the pot and you see a little bit of water down in there, now it's time to get down, alright? So you see where it is now? Alright, you see those little holes? Not much. So now, I cover it, and I come back and I turn it down all the way to like low. Low, 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 Low. Low. Okay. That's so silly. Alright, so that's down to low. Alright? And for 20 minutes, that's what you do. So 7:53, you do the math. 20 minutes from now, I will turn it off, and I won't even open it immediately. And sometimes, you know, if you think it's like, so I take it off. An electric stove like this, take it off there, and then put it back. Because electric things don't, you know, you want that joker to stop cooking. All right? And there you go. 20 minutes from now, you'll have perfect rice every freaking time. Peace out. Spock. Okay. Here's the fourth installment, I think. 4. Okay? Let's zoom in. Because now we're going to take the pot off. If you see, the last time we checked the clock, it was like 53 minutes 2. Alright? So here we go. You want to need a fork to test it. So. Ooh, it's hot. Forgot about that. Alright, here we go. Not that hot. Bing. Now look. Perfect rice every time. They should call me Uncle Ben. Here we are. See how fluffy that is? Look, down to the bottom. Let's see. Let me try a taste. Look at that. Perfect brown rice. And no burning. No sitting around the edges. And that, my friend, is how to make perfect brown rice.